This is your friend Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Welcome to my channel, guys, and then in this video tutorial we will learn how to create volume of a sphere in C++ as our programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you very much to all my subscribers to my channel. If you are new with my channel, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. So we have here a machine problem. Write a program to calculate the volume of a sphere, then display the result. Use the following formula: V equals 4 over 3 pi r cube. So this is the machine problem on how we can create volume of a sphere. So let us go with code blocks. So I'm using code blocks as my text editor, so you can freely download this one from the internet for free in writing my program. So we have here series of comments, and then we have here library files that we use in our program. The sharp include IO stream for input output library, sharp include IO mani for input output manipulator. For we will using this one for set precision for decimal places, and then CMAT for function in C++, the power. So we have here the use of constant, double pi 3.14, and then we have here int main. A function is the starting point of our program execution, and then we have here curly bracket left, and then we have here double radius variable which we initialize with 0.00, and then we have here standard console out to new line, and then we have here the title \T or horizontal tab. We are referring to this as escape sequence in C++, and then the title of our program, volume of a sphere in C++. Next, line 20 will be the new line, and then line 21 and 22 we are asking the user to give a value in our radius that will be stored in our variable radius. And in line 23, set precision, we want to set two decimal places, that is fixed. And then line 24 to new line, and then here we display the result, and then we perform a series of computation in this line of code. So we are using the pow or power radius comma 3, which belongs in this library file sharp include CMAT. And then line 26 to new line, and then 27 end of program. That tells the user that the program is already been ended, and then we have here the right curly bracket to close the body of our C++ program. After we are through, let us go build and run our program. Okay, I forgot. Okay, again, compile and run. Okay, I forgot again to put a double quotation. The same thing here. Control S to save our work. Build and run. Precision. Okay, I forgot again. Let's do some debugging. Let's remove this one. Build and run. Okay, our program is running. So let's say we can have 10. So the volume is 3140. End of program. So we have here run again. We have 4. So we have here the volume of a sphere in C++. Interradius 4, we have the volume 200.96. And a program. Let us close again. Let us run again the program. You say we can have here 2. So we have here volume of sphere in C++. Interradius to volume is 225.12. End of program. For the last time, we run again the code. Let's say we can have 6. So volume of sphere in C++, interradius 6, the volume is 678.24. So this is the end of our tutorial video, guys, on how to create volume of a sphere in C++ programming language. Thank you very much for watching. I will put a link in the description below so that you can download the complete source code for free in my website. Before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. This is your friend Jacob Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Until to the next video tutorial, guys. Bye bye for now.